Welcome to Elite Technique, the all-in-one fence software built to make your business work smarter, not harder. Today, we will walk you through how to upload a multi-page document using the Upload and Draw feature, which is now contained within the normal drawing tool. Let's get started. When in the drawing tool, go to the upper right part of the screen and hover over the multi-layers rhombus icon that we use to select the view type. Click on Upload and the system will allow you to upload a multi-page doc/file. Choose your file and hit Upload. If your image has no resolution information, you will immediately be asked to input the equivalent measurement to an inch on the image uploaded or calibrate the scale. You can also just click on Scale located on the right side of the screen. To set the scale, click on Draw a Reference Line and draw a line across a dimension that you know how much it really measures. The system will tell you how many inches your line measures. You just have to type in the actual measurement in feet and then click on Apply Scale. Now you are ready to draw your fence as you would on the map. Just choose your material type and then utilize the fence line tool to draw your fence. Click on Image located right under Scale on the right side of the screen if you want to upload a different file. You can also rotate your image with the controls located under Image. If the document you uploaded contains more than one page, you may use the two little arrows located on the right side of the screen under the bar that controls the opacity of the images to switch between pages. Or you can also use the little drop-down menu option to select a specific page. In Elite Technique, we believe in constant evolution and practicality. Thank you very much.